So today I just received a Power Extra protective durable plastic camera lens cap cover from Amazon, and super excited about this. This is a kit that includes the cap. It also has a hood for your camera. It comes with a gimbal guard and a couple of zip ties to make sure that's secure. And so basically, I get rid of this cap and this guard. And I'm super excited about it because I fumble with those every single time I put them on. It seems like it takes me forever to get them on. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip this on like so. And as you can see, it makes it nice and secure. Things not going anywhere. And real excited about that because I don't know what's wrong with me, but I fumble with this for at least a couple minutes every time I put it on. And now I don't have to. So it also came with the gimbal guard. So this is made out of carbon fiber. It has a couple of notches cut out of each side. And what you do is you just stick it in the notches down here. And like so. And then put it up in the notches on the other side. If I can find it. Okay, so there it is. And then you just want to stick the zip ties around, stick it through a notch, and then go around this. Like so I picked this up for about just under $7 on Amazon. And let's go ahead and get the other side while we're at it real fast. And there we have it. It's on there really well. It's not going to go anywhere, nice and snug, and that should help protect it. So this is for, this kit's for the Advanced and Pro Phantom drones. And as you can see, it's on great. So we'll just slide this off. Came with this hood, but I don't think I'm going to use it. I think it just might get in the way, and who knows about the view, if it's going to obstruct my view with a little halo effect. It also kind of hits this as well, so I don't know. I don't think I'm going to use it. And it probably adds a slight bit of weight to it, making it unbalanced. So the kit was well worth it just for this and the gimbal guard. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.